Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I organized Panzer, and this is expansion number 2 and the trays that I made to organize this one. So let's just jump right inside and take a look. And don't forget, if you want to do this yourself with your own 3D printer, I do have STL files available at my website at thenerdworkshop.com, link below. Okay, so Panzer expansion number 2 gives you a little bit of room to play with inside, so that's the fortunate thing about this one. And as you can see, I have 4 dice here. I added a couple extra dice in this tray here that I purchased off of Amazon, but this also serves as a dice rolling tray here if you like. And take this lid off and this lid, and like I said, we have a little bit of room, so I'm able to separate all the tanks out to where I want them to be. And you know, you have room if you have any extras there, anything else that you may want to put in here. But I do like the lids, because the lids I made so that they flip all the way on top and over like that, so they hold everything in place. Now down at the bottom here is where you get into, we have a lot of cards in this particular one. Well, not a lot. We have, you know, a fair amount. But I have a spacer between. The cards are equally stacked here. And here, I made these spacers here with a little grab on the bottom here. That way it makes it easy to pull them out. But this allows you to put these cards up here, fill that space. And same way on this side. It just fills that space so that everything fits in there nice and neat. Otherwise, you're going to have everything banging around and hitting, and I don't like that. So we'll put this back there on there to give us a nice base. And again, this can go in there any way that any order that you want. But you see all of those fit there. This can go on top to hold it there, or if you like, you could have everything on the bottom like I had originally. And I like to sort of separate that out a little bit like that. And close it back up. So you can see that organizes it really well, really nice. And if you do like this, please say so. Give us a comment down at the bottom, or give us a like on the video. And don't be afraid to subscribe. Always enjoy having more people watching the videos that come out next. Other than that, thanks for watching this long. Take care.